Hey guys, my name is Nis and I'm going to show you guys how ChatPower Plus works. It's a cross-platform control center for AI conversations on different platforms such as ChatGPT, Grok, Deepseek, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity. First you go to the Chrome Web Store and you type in ChatPower. And you find it here. And you add it to your Chrome. For me it's already added. Now we can use ChatPower Plus. Let's just start from top to bottom and I will show you guys all the features. Folders feature, and this is a folder overview, and here you can find all your folders that you created. For now we don't have anything, but I will show you guys how to do that. So for example, we want to add this specific chat to a folder. We click on this button and put it in folder. We name the folder ideas, because it's about an idea I had, and we save it. Now if you go back to the folder, you can see it here, and you can click on the chat and you will be redirected to that chat again. You could also, of course, add multiple folders in one go. Let's go random, and voila. You can also create subfolders. Let's say we want to put this one into random, but then in a subfolder called results. And then you see it as a subfolder here. You can also delete a whole folder, but you can also delete a certain chat like this. And don't worry, the chat itself won't be deleted from ChatGPT, only from the folders overview. You don't need to be on ChatGPT to see them. You could also be on Gemini or on Deepseek to see them. For example, you open it here and you see all these folders. And let's say I'm on Gemini and I want to add a certain chat to it. Let's say this one about parallel lines. Then I put it in a folder. I again put it in random for now. And I open it. And now you see Gemini. If I'm on Perplexity, for example, and I am thinking, oh, once I had a chat in Gemini and it was about parallel lines, let me quickly open it. You can just click on this and you will be back to that chat. The next feature is the images feature. It's still getting improved, but it looks like this. And these are all the images that are in a chat that you have opened, or you're in a chat and you just created a new one. So a ChatGPT or Grok just generated you one and it gets automatically saved to this library. You can give them a star, and then you just click on this and then you only see that. You could also go back to a certain chat. So this one was created on Grok. So if I go back to chat, you see that is the chat. And let's say I have a new image and it's not here yet, right? Like I want to create a new image, but it's not there, right? It happens automatically. So I'm saying generate an image of a cow with pink stripes. Let's see what it will create. So now, during the creation, it's not in the library yet, right? But now if we close it and go back, and now they're fully created, you can open the image library and you would see them. The next feature is the prompts feature. Here you can create your own prompts, and you do it by writing down your prompt like this and clicking on the save prompt button. And for now we call it testing prompts video, and you will see it back here. But let's say I have written down this, but I'm like, no, I would actually want to use this prompt. We can copy it, but you could also quickly insert it like this. You can also edit your prompt. Let's say you see multiple mistakes like this. This is a testing prompt. You can just edit it like this and click enter, and now it's looking like this. I quickly insert it again. You can give it a favorite star. Let's say this one too, and then you click here and you see all your favorites. You can delete them like this. You can export them. You can import your prompts as a JSON and you will see them here too. And you can create profiles. But before I go to the profiles, let me first explain this. Here you see a placeholder and it works like this. This is a something prompt, and if we save this prompt, testing video again, and these are the folders, and if we save this and let's say we want to use it, then it will ask me what do you want to fill in for the placeholder, and then we say for now a testing prompt. So you can also make use of multiple placeholders. Also, one small thing, when you're writing something in the chat box, you can see the word count and the characters count. So hi, my name is Nis. You see 5 words, bye, 6 words, and that's on every platform. So creating a profile, you click on the profiles button, you name it something, you give it a tone, a language, a persona, the style, and click on add profile. These are all wrong, so I just deleted them. But I already created something and it's called test. I put it on default, and now, for example, when I go to Deepseek and I want to use a specific prompt that I already created, so let's say this one, then it applies the instruction profile that we just used, that we just created, and this will just speed up your prompt making and prompts writing. Another feature this extension has is the making notes. So when you're on a certain chat, you can save notes, and as you can see, I already have some notes for this chat, but we can extend it by writing lots more. And I have given it a tag. Now I had Spain, but I could also say weather scenarios. And I save it. And I can open it in the overview like this, and I can see it. I can edit it here too. So let's say, oh, I made a lot of mistakes. Let me delete this, for example. I can do that and then just save it like this. And if you now, for example, go to ChatGPT and open the notes, it's the clean version. And you can also reopen the chat. So I'm now in ChatGPT, but I want to open this specific chat where I saved that note. I do it like this, and I'm back. And then that note is also here. But that note wouldn't be there if I would be on a different chat, right? So if I'm now here, I have an empty note, but also on Deepseek. If I open this, it's also empty. Another function that ChatPower Plus has is pinning messages. So you click on this button and then it says messages pinned. You won't see the pinning button only when you hover over the messages. So here you don't see it, but if I hover over it, you can see it. If it's already pinned, so like here, then it says it's already pinned. But you can do it on any platform again. So this one, for example, it's pinned. Then I go to here and you see everything that is pinned. You can also search on titles or messages. So this one was, can I have an image of the sky? So we go here and we say sky, and then you see, you find it back. You can also return back to the chat where you have pinned the message. So for example, this one, I click here and now I'm back here. The last function is exporting your chat. You have multiple options to choose from. So let's say if I want a plain text, I just click on this one and it will be downloaded. Thank you for watching this video. I hope any of these features will help you. If you have any ideas, new features that you would like to see, just tell me and I would gladly add them to the extension. Thank you.